Hello, in this video, let's compare N8N and Microsoft Power Automate. Both are strong automation platforms, but they shine in different environments. Power Automate, or formerly Microsoft Flow, is part of the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. It works well with Outlook, Teams, Excel, SharePoint, and other Microsoft products. If your organization uses Microsoft tools daily, Power Automate offers seamless integration. N8N, on the other hand, is more flexible and not tied to a specific ecosystem. It's open source, can be self-hosted, and offers broader support for non-Microsoft apps and app APIs. You can customize logic deeply, use JavaScript, and handle complex API integrations. Use Power Automate if you're in a Microsoft-centric workplace and want native compatibility. Go with N8N if you want more freedom, cross-platform support, and the ability to build complex and custom automations. Both of these are really excellent, but the right choice depends on your stock and your flexibility needs. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.